take any
I like your picture. It's like a French. What's that called? Is that what it's called? It's like
Oh, that's so pretty.
Thank you, everyone! Wow! Oh! Yay! Thank you, Alex. Are those little like? Yay! Oh my gosh!
This is so cool.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at this. There's only cute girls at my favorite cafe, and I love it. It's a real Barbie moment. This show? Hello. Ohayo. 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 Well, it's like 4 p.m. This is my favorite commercial that plays in like every taxi. 名前はなんだっけ? Today is the Oban festival, and Oban, if you don't know, is a holiday in Japan that basically celebrates and honors the spirits of the dead. And so my friends invited me to go to a festival today, and you traditionally wear yukata during this festival. So my friends invited me to wear yukata with them today, so I am going to a rental shop to get ready. I found literally the perfect cottagecore yukata with this like ribbon like pattern that I've never seen before. I was really surprised that they had something like this. And most kimono or yukata rental stores will also offer the option of doing like a hair arrangement to match your outfit. Today, I'm wearing yukata. Yumi-chan no yukata wa doko desu ka? It's too mendokusai, too mendokusai. So it's me only. I'm fucking dying. It's super hot. It's horrible, but for fashion, I can do anything. Iko? Iko? Long time no matsuri da yo. Yeah. Steki. Hi. Like dog. Like dog, yeah. Yeah. Visiting the apartment today, so I made dinner for all of us. Omurais! I was like evilly cackling in the kitchen to myself because I was like drawing my little hearts and like putting flowers on them. Look, they're so cute! This is what I do. This is my life as a housewife. Good morning, everybody. So today we have plans to take a road trip. Before then, I just headed to one of my favorite breakfast spots to grab breakfast for all of the girls. And this is called Flat. They do a combination of coffee and also croissants. And I recommend the ham and cheese croissant or the almond croissant for a sweet recommendation. Hi! 今日は千葉の海に行きます。Hi みんな。Hi. Yay! This is Yuma. あゆみちゃん。エルちゃん。Hello. We're doing a road trip. Yay! There is nothing here. Look at this. There is literally nothing. I love it. So we're finally here at the beach house. Been driving for like 2-3 hours. We're in Chiba and we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. Look, there's literally nothing here. As a huge city girl and as someone who's always lived in Tokyo, this is literally so foreign to me. And by the way, we're matching today. 今日はお揃いですよ. Yes. Always matching hair clips, necklaces, dresses, shirts. So this is my summer necklace design in white and blue. And this shirt is from Ayumi's brand Dear Sisterhood. And it's super lightweight, so it's super perfect for the beach today. And yeah, we're matching literally head to toe. Yay! 眉毛もいる。眉毛もいるよ。あ、かわいい。かわいいね。なんか jumping, bouncing. Yeah. この車超ヤンキーっぽいじゃん。そうだね。Yeah, this is our car that we came in. It's so funny. バーベキューの材料買うよ。醤油。あ、醤油必要なんだよね。おー、いいね。クレイジーソルトいいね。クレイジーソルト。やばい。クレイジーソルト。お、あ、塩。Oh my god! なんかバーベキュー。What? This is so weird. Yeah. What the fuck?真ん中ぶち抜いてるから。あ、そういうことか。そうですよね。すげえ興奮するよ。はい。7回回ろっか。7回回ろう。せーの。そういう感じ。遅いもん、早く。やば。はい、棒持って。もう、スイカ割り結構むずいかもね、これ。ちょっとご指示をお願いします。左に展開っていうの。あ、そう、ストップ。もうちょい左。そう、もう一本。あ、もう2本。思いっきりね。はい。結構距離あるから。オッケー。
わ、すごいな。
わ
はい、できる。ありがとうございます。
ありがとう。わあ、スイカゲット。わあ。合ってると思う。わあ、すごい。やめよ。はい。あ、one more, okay. イエーイ。
終わった。懺悔。本当にすいません。
いや、でもムサキ暗いわ、確かに。
あ
これなんか右って言われたけど右に道ないわもう。
一回止めて。
マジ言ってんの？ちょっとやめてよもうマジで。照らして。あ、もう本当嫌。
はい、いくよ。マジ。絶対嫌だ。絶対嫌だ。
あ、黒いよ。
ちょっと怖い。
待って。わかんないでも。
全然見えないよ。
全然見えないよ。全然見えないよ。今のずるいですもんだって。そりゃだってうわって
じゃないあれ。おお、あったよ。鳥。怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖いめっちゃ書くわこれ。すごいこれ。 じゃあ行こう行こうもう行こう。もう行こう。
なんかあれ光ってません？あれは違う？
そうそうそうそうそう。